Welcome to the demonstration of the OMCAN HLC 300. We are going to do a demonstration with 4 different discs that we have. These are not the standard discs that come with the machine. You get a couple slicing discs and a couple shredding discs. But what we're going to do today is we're going to slice, shred, and show how the machine can cube. We have a variety of different vegetables and cheeses, and we have some potatoes as well. So before I start the machine, there's a plunger that comes with it. To open up the machine, make sure the machine is unplugged when you're working with the inside of the machine. It comes with a disc. This disc here, its operation is to shoot the product out down the spout. This can be taken off very easily, washed and cleaned. Do not put it in a dishwasher. But to work the machine, you basically will start off first with the slicing disc. Insert the disc on, close the lid, push it down, plug in your machine, and the machine runs. It features a micro switch. When you open it up, the blade will stop turning, and it'll go as is. If you want to put the product down the chute, you'll have a constant feed in, and you can use the plunger to work it. So what we'll do right now, we'll do some carrots, and we'll just use the side chute. Carrots. You can also do some cucumbers. Do some cucumbers as well. This is coming out at a 2mm thickness. So you have some carrots, you have some cucumbers. To switch the blade, again, unplug the machine. Open it up, and what you can do is take the disc off very easily. You can wash the disc again. A few excess pieces to put in. What we'll do is we'll dice again at a thicker 8mm. Again, we'll do some more cucumbers. Sorry, micro switch down. Plug in. Again, you can see the difference in thickness from the 8mm to the 2mm. We're going to do some carrots, a little thicker. Okay, once you're done this, we'll go on to shredding. I'll show you how the machine can shred. Again, unplug the unit. Take this up. Again, this disc can be easily washed. It just finds the groove and it's locked in. You have to push down and turn. For the cheese, we'll have to use the main chute. So what we'll do is we'll just break off some cheese. And we'll have that there. Turn on the machine. Put the cheese in. Mozzarella cheese, cheddar cheese. It all works great on this machine. You may need a bigger dish for this. This right here is a 4mm disc. come as high as 9 millimeters, and it can go down as low as a grating disc. With the grating disc, and we'll do some cheddar here. And lastly, this piece. Alright, so once you're done with the cheddar cheese and shredding, we'll go on to dicing. I'll show you how the machine can dice. So we'll just take off some excess cheese that you have here. If you want to make sure you get no waste, or to eliminate the waste, just throw this back in. Get the extra. Alright, so what we'll do now is do the dicing. So with the dicing, I'll just clean this up quickly. With the dicing disc, what you need to do is you need to operate the dicing disc with the slicing disc. So what it does is it slices, and then it puts down, goes through the cubes. So you're going to be using a number 8 slicing as well as the dicing. So you insert your dicing disc. So the first thing you do is put this chute back on. You insert the dicing disc like so, and the slicing disc goes over top. And lock the machine in place. Plug in your unit. You have your plunger, and we'll do some potatoes. And we put a bowl underneath. And you make home fries. You get your peppers. Drastically cuts down your prep time, and it takes the knife out of your employees' hands. Home fries. And lastly, we can do some peppers. Just slice them. Slices peppers. You just got to cut your peppers down a little more. So you've got slicing, shredding, dicing. The HLC 300.